Construction communication is not only about presenting a drawing, it is about helping people understand what the drawing means for the actual space. A floor plan may show the shape of a room, but the presenter still needs to explain circulation, access points, structural choices, and how different building elements relate to each other. In lectures, design reviews, or project briefings, those details can easily get lost when the explanation feels separate from the visual. The Smart-Lightboard keeps the presenter and the construction content together in one view. Building plans, room layouts, site images, service routes, and structural details can be explained as part of the same visual walkthrough. That gives the audience a clearer sense of direction. They can follow where the presenter is looking, what detail is being discussed, and why it matters to the overall design or construction process. For construction education, architecture presentations, site planning, and project training, this makes complex layouts feel less abstract. The presenter can guide people through the space more naturally, almost like walking them through the project in person. With a Smart-Lightboard, design reviews and construction training become more visual, focused, and practical.